Hello, students. Today we will study chapter number 12 of EVS, that is Let Us Celebrate, and it is the first part of this chapter. Now, students, what are festivals? Festivals are times for celebrations and fun. We celebrate festivals with family, friends, and relatives. India is known as the land of festivals. Why? Because many festivals are celebrated all over the country. Houses are cleaned and decorated. People wear new clothes, greet each other, and exchange gifts. India is a land of many religions. So, in India, we celebrate three types of festivals. And the three types of festivals are religious festivals, harvest festivals, and national festivals. Now, students, we will study about the religious festivals. As I told you that India is a land of many religions. Some festivals such as Diwali, Eid, Christmas,
Gurpurab was
celebrated by people of different religions. These festivals are called religious festivals.
Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is the main festival of Hindus. It celebrates the return of Lord Rama in Ayodhya after a battle in which he killed Ravan. On this day, people decorate their houses with candles and lights, wear new dresses, and exchange sweets and gifts with friends and relatives. Holi is the festival of colors. People throw gulal and colored water on each other. Gujiyas are prepared on this day and people eat, sing, dance and exchange greetings and gifts. Now, one more religious festival is Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims at the end of the holy month of Ramadan. People end the month of fasting on sighting the new moon. They go to the mosque to pray and greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. People wear new clothes and a special dish called Sivai is cooked on this day. Now, students, one more religious festival is Christmas, and we will study that what we do on Christmas and how we celebrate the religious festival Christmas. Christmas is the festival of Christians. It is celebrated to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated every year on 25th December. People go to church and sing hymns. They decorate the Christmas tree and exchange gifts. Special cakes are also prepared on this day. Now, students, we will study about the festival Gurpurab. Gurpurab is the main festival of Sikhs. It is celebrated to mark the birthdays of Sikh Gurus. They go to Gurudwaras to pray. Musical processions are taken out in the morning. A meal of langar is served in the Gurudwaras. So students, that's all for today's class. Hello students, today we will study chapter number 12 of EVS, that is Let Us Celebrate, and it is the second part of this chapter. So students, in first part we have learnt about the religious festivals. So we will continue this in this video also. Now students, Dussehra is also a religious festival. Dussehra celebrates victory of good over evil. Huge effigies of Ravan, Kumbhakarn and Meghnad are burned. Ramlila is enacted at many places. Now students, second type of festivals are harvest festivals. People in different parts of our country also celebrate harvest festivals. Festivals are celebrated at the end of the season when crops are harvested. So students, you have understood that the harvest festivals are also celebrated in our country, and at what time they are celebrated? They are celebrated at the end of the season when crops are harvested. Now, Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. It is a 3-day festival celebrated at the time of harvesting of rice. So, Pongal is a harvest festival and it is celebrated when rice are harvested. Now students, the next harvest festival is Onam. Now students, tell me that where Onam is celebrated and how it is celebrated. So, Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated in the month of August and September. The celebrations are for a period of 10 days. People decorate their houses with rangoli made of flowers. Boat races are held during Onam. The next type of festivals are national festivals. National festivals are celebrated by us and make us proud of being Indian. Now students, the first national festival is Independence Day. So when we celebrate Independence Day and why we celebrate it? We celebrate 15 August as Independence Day. On this day, our country got freedom from the British rule. To celebrate, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. The next national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. So students, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is celebrated
to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, also known as Father of the Nation.
The next national festival is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. A grand parade is organized in Delhi. People all over the country enjoy watching the parade on television.